Morning, party people. Here we are. First day of April. It's 8:53 here a.m. And this is what we're supposed to have for today and tomorrow. Nothing but rain and storms. At least that's what they're predicting. At least that's what they're predicting. Oh, man. There we go. Check it out. It's just slightly raining here, but check these out. Check these clouds out here. These little dark ones right here. Check those out. There's another one right there. There's this one. Check these Bay Larrys out. They're totally different clouds. There we go. Check that out. They're totally different clouds than the rest. Look. That's what my phone focuses on. And you got these right up here. Same thing. Different kind of clouds within the clouds. Check it out. These are within those clouds, dude. That's what's crazy. Look at that. I just noticed these. They're darker than the rest. Oh, here's some more. Oh, there's one white above me. There's one white above me. Look at these things. Check these things out, dudes. And here's one right here. I'm telling you, these are not normal clouds, people. Check these Bay Larrys out. They are not normal clouds. Check it out. Yeah, see, they're not normal. I just turned my darkness down. Check it out. I need to get this thing in focus. There we go. There we go. Check it out. So these things are not normal. Look, here's some more over here. See these darker ones? I turned my darkness down. These Bay Larrys are not normal. See them? Look at this one. Whoa. Look at these. Look at this. Look at this stuff in here. Whoa. These are crazy looking. Check it out. Look at this one. Look at that. Looks like a face. Check it out. It looks like a crooked mouth. Eyes, and the nose kind of goes like that. And the other eyeball goes up and it's got like a little thing in it. Here's the other eye. It's got a little thing on its... In the mouth, see, there's the lip right there, the bottom lip, and there's the center part of the two lips meeting. Just saying, people. This is, oh, it's beautiful out. It's 70. It's 70. It feels like 70. Humidity is gone. I thought I'd let you know. Here in Ohio, the humidity is gone. I mean, it feels beautiful. I got my windows all open. It is wonderful out. Even though it's cloudy, you gotta take the bad with the good, people. Even though it's cloudy like this, it's freaking awesome, though. It's just barely spitting. Everybody be safe out there. Have a great day.